What is this ORM? Outstanding. Evenaina? Object. Good morning. ఈయనేంది పువ్వు పెట్టాడు, సన్ఫ్లవర్ పెట్టాడు, అది కూడా చూడండి. అది సన్ఫ్లవరే కదా అది. ఆహా, దాని మీనింగ్ గుడ్ మార్నింగా? సన్, ఓకే. ఫ్రమ్ ఢిల్లీ. మళ్ళీ ఏదో పెడతాడు. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రిలేషన్షిప్ మ్యాపింగ్. Sir, see, generally, what is this ORM is nothing but, sir, we know already database. Database means we have to create some database. Already in my regular classes in Python explained MySQL and Oracle database. Okay. In the database, whenever I inserted data, the data should be available in the form of table format, rows and columns. It is available there. Sir, connected. Either link is change and they changed the link. App problem is there. వస్తుందంట. యాప్ లో లింక్ లేదు. యాప్ కనెక్టెడ్, చెక్ ఇట్. మార్నింగ్ పెట్టారా? Check in the Google Classroom, they provided link. In the Google Classroom, they are given link. Sir, check it. In the database, the data should be available in the form of tables. But see, sir, whenever I'm written a program, my programs are .py programs, Python programs. ఇప్పుడు ఏ రావట్లేదు అసలు. ఓకే కదా? Sir, now check it carefully. Sir, now, just now whatever telling is, so there is a database is there. Inside the database, okay, inside database, the data should be available in the form of the rows and the columns available there already. We know these things. Number of rows, number of columns are there. To take this data and we have to write our program. I am writing as a Python program. I am writing a .py programs we have to write. Sir, in Python, everything is we have to represent it with the class, or we have to represent it with the function, something we have to declare. But whether it is a class or function or whatever is there, in Python, everything should be one object. Everything should be one object. Suppose there is class is there, employee class. Tomorrow I created object for employee class. Employee object is available there. EMP object is there. So now, but within the table, this table, it is called as a, do you know, in the databases, different types of concepts are there. DBMS, RDBMS, ORDBMS, like that concepts are there. First starting concept is DBMS, Database Management System. There are some problems are there. That's why they introduced RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. After that, latest there came ORDBMS, object they can maintain in the databases. So here it is called as a relational database. This is a relational database. So now my requirement is here object is there. Here object, because in Python everything is one object. Whether it is a class or function or whatever is there, in Python everything will be treated as a one object. Now whatever data is there in the relational database, by using this object, I want to read data from the database. Now one mechanism is required, one framework is required. That is nothing but what it is, ORM. Django ORM is a one framework which is providing object between and relational database. ORM full form is object relational mapping, because database is completely related to the relational database management system. But my Python program, everything should be one object. For example, sir, I want to read the data from the SQL commands are there. If I want to display some data in my advanced Python classes, I explained how to connect it to Oracle, how to connect it to MySQL, those. Suppose I have Oracle database is there. Username is Scott, password is the Tiger. Yes, I want to read the data from the database. Select star from, I want to go with employees. Ledu. Employee maybe. Select star from miss ayindi, sorry. MP. Yes, employee. So now I have some employees are there. It is displaying a salary. So I want to read the data from the database, sir. What is the command we are using? This is the command. Suppose if there is some built-in table is there, that is EMP table. I want to read the data from the table, means I have to use this command. But in my Python program, already in some programs we are written to read the data from the database, display to the template. We are using one command. What it is? Every time we are using now, we created some model name dot. What is the command we are using every time? Objects dot all. So in employee table, how many objects are available there? All object detail I want to show. So this is the Python code I am written to read the data from here. This is the SQL code. So I no need to write SQL queries. That mapping can be provided by ORM concept. Instead of writing SQL queries, I have to write our Django Python commands. How it is providing relation? That framework is nothing but our framework ORM. Django ORM is one framework which is providing relation between the objects and our SQL queries. So now remove this. ORM stands for object relational mapping. Then not relationship. Object relational mapping. For example, to select all employees from the table, we are using normal command is, this is the command. Select star from employee. Okay, fine. Whereas in case of our Python, there is one class is there. ORM ka, the framework. What is the class name? Employee is the class name. Dot. Class contains some objects. Dot all. Both are same. So instead of writing SQL queries, we have to write our Django commands, sir. Now I will create one project Instead, how to use this ORM methods, ORM comments, and all those things, we will get clarity. First, go to the CMD. Go to command prompt. Open it. Yes. So these commands are called as ORM. ORM is a framework. Inside whatever methods are there, those are all called as a methods. Yes. D drive, D Django, 17th March. Clear the screen. D Django hyphen admin start project. What is the project? ORM. Project 1. First project. Yes, done. Now, CD, ORM project 1. Next, PY, MA, manage.py, start app. What is the app? Test the app, sir. Now done. This is the steps. Add in open atom. In this one, what it is, hello world template views. Close this tabs. Our project is MNO ORM project 1. Open settings.py. First one I want to go to add app. Test app. Save. Tarvata what to do? First we have to database is required. Models.py, sir. So go to the models under app models. Inside, first I have to take a class, employee class. Inside models dot model. Now I have to take employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address, employee name, models dot character field, max length is required, some 64. E name, employee number kada, number entity, integer field, name, models dot character field, sir. Now max length is required. Models dot float field, sir. Address. Models dot character field, sir. Max underscore length address. Completed first part. Once models are ready, we go with admin.py. So these things already you know. Until inserting data to the database, we know everything. From test app.models import. What is the class name? Employee, sir. And now how to admin class employee admin inside admin.model admin. Now, what is the variable? List underscore display. Which columns you want to display? 4 columns are there. Employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. Migrations. Admin dot site dot register. What I want to register? Employee, comma, employee admin, sorry. Employee admin completed. Second part. After this, we go with make migrations and migrate. Okay, done. Go to the here. Py manage.py make migrations. Class model employee created. Next, migrate. Okay. Done. Tables all created there. After that, just make Django. Create super user. Create super blank mail ID. Something you can give. Password Mahesh123. Mahesh123. Create as successfully created there. Now py manage.py initially run server. Server should be started. Take the IP address. Go to the browser. Give admin interface. Login. Employees table got created. 0 objects are there. Sir, now I want to insert data to the table. How to insert? Dummy data, I want to insert 100 details. You have to take right click on your project, new file, populate dot employee kodana. Sorry, populate.py. But then code రాయాలిగా. Yeah. పాత ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది డేటా somewhere else. Which project we did? F FBలు ఫేకర్ బాటిల్ వాడలేదు కదా. Okay, done. Copy old one, sir. That is only here doing. Model project 3 na. Project గుర్తుంది సాయి బాబా. మోడల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ 3 అది స్టూడెంట్ కదా, కాదు ఎంప్లాయీ తోటి ఉంటుందబ్బా. డైరెక్ట్ గా జాబ్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంట. జాబ్స్ దానిలో జాబ్స్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తాం. FBలు ఉందా? సరే ఓకే. FBవి ఫిల్టర్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ FBవి క్రెడ్ ఆపరేషన్. ఎస్, మీరేనేవే నాకన్నా. వెరీ గుడ్. కాపీ మన ఫైల్ ఏది, పేస్ట్. ఏమైనా చేంజెస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో? ఇక్కడ సింపుల్ గా ORM ప్రాజెక్ట్ 1. ఇంకేమైనా సెట్టింగ్స్ చేంజెస్ చూడండి. ఏమైనా ఉంటే టెస్ట్ యాప్, మోడల్, ఫ్రమ్, ఫేక్, ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్, ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్, శాలరీ, అడ్రస్ 1000, 9000, 10,000, 20, 10,000, F address, city, get or create method, E number, F number, enter number of employees. సరే రెడీ. Open the one more command prompt to run this one. D drive, sir, cd Django projects, cd ORM project, cls py populate.py, number of rows 100. So successfully inserted. Katham, my job completed. Now refresh. Very good. So within fraction of second, job completed. 100 employees added. That is the speciality of that populator. So now number, name, salary, address is coming. Now what to do? Oh, inga story on the create template file. Display to the template file. Objects.all. After that, we can apply ORM methods. Templates. So now come to our project, sir. Right click, new folder, sir. TEMPLATES, templates. Inside templates, again folder, sir. Test app, sir. Inside test app, right click, new file, base.html. I'm creating inheritance purpose. In base law, I can write HTML code. Inside title, I can go with bootstrap.com, copy paste that CSS, copy, paste it. Inside body, div class container, alignment, center, and when a form submission percentage ఇచ్చింది. Now percentage block body underscore block. Now go with percentage end block. Completed base page. One more thing, sir. Settings calendar first. Here everything template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. Take this variable, go to the here, paste. Next, base.html. This is the code we have to return. This is the base.html. Separate link on the story. Next, to display purpose, right click, new file, index.html. I can provide it there, sir. Here, HTML. I don't want all this nonsense. Remove. Now, curling braces, percentage. What is the keyword? Extends. Where it is available? Test app slash base.html, sir. Now, implement your blocks. What is the block we are given there? Percentage block. What is the I'm given? Body block, sir. Next, percentage end block, sir. In middle, you have to write your code. Okay, done. Put story. How to display? First H1 tag. Welcome to employees list. I want to display. Now, HR means HR ante horizontal line will be displayed there. I have to display in the form of the table. Inside table, I have to give border. Border 2 or 3 pixels you can give. Sorry, now How to get the table here? Table head kada first th. Table head inside th. Employee number 4 ఉన్నాయి. Copy 2, 3, 4. Employee name, employee salary, employee address. Fine. Next. What to do next? How to read the data? For loop. What we have to write? Where is employees? Where is data? You have to go with views. Need view. View is required, not required, because to read the data, just now I'm telling one command. This command, by using some reading data, this you have to send it to this template file. So view is, and yesterday up to we are using class based view. Just I'm writing model equal to employee, model equal student, job completed. But you have to read data and send it to the template compulsory. So in view is required. Go to the view, sir. View. Sir, now I want to create object to the employee. Employee from test app dot models. Import, sir. What I want to import? Employee, sir. How to get the data? Just now we discussed. Def. Now view. My own view it is. I am getting one request. Only old style. emp underscore list. Any variable that is your wish. What is the class name? Employee dot. What is the command? Objects dot. All completed. Now what to do? Return. Because of class based reviews. Now it is a function based. You have to write everything. Return render. I'm getting request, comma. What I want to send? Test app slash index.html. How to send the data? Create dictionary. emp underscore list colon. Where is your data? emp list. Gutundi process anta. In our childhood we did everything. So this is required, sir. Now compulsory. So first view create cheskondi. Next base page code I will write. Come to index, sir. Now I am sending that one. Index.html ichcham kada. Okay, fine. Sir, please tell now. Curling braces. What I have to write inside? Percentage for each employee in employee list, sir. From employee list, employee spelling views anta. ఏదో జరిగింది చూడండి. ఏం చేసాం? వ్యూస్ లో ఎంప్లాయీ మిస్ అయింది. సరిపోయిందా? ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మిస్ అయితే అక్కడ కూడా మిస్ అయ్యిద్దిగా. ఇది కావాలిగా, లేకపోతే ఇదే చేస్తారు మీరు కూడా. కాపీ పేస్ట్. అప్పుడు పోద్ది, స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ వచ్చింది. అమ్మో. నో go to sir, what to do? First tr, table row. So how to display table data? By using ginger to template text. Where is your emp? Dot e number, first number kada, e number. Sir చూడండి ఇక్కడ emp is a one object reference variable. Okay, now copy 2, 3, 4. Sir, second employee name, third employee salary, fourth employee address. సరే అయిపోయింది. ఇంకేముందా? ఫస్ట్ ఎండ్ చేయండి ఫర్ లూప్ ని. కర్లింగ్ బ్రేసెస్ ఒకటే, పర్సంటేజ్ ఎండ్ ఫర్ టేబుల్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఎండ్ బ్లాక్. సరిపోయిందా? సరే, చాలా పొద్దు చూద్దాం. సో నెక్స్ట్, వన్స్ we completed, final step is URLs కి వెళ్ళండి. Yes, declare URL. What is happening? Check it. From test app, import views. Now create URL. path. Give empty. Now views dot మన view name ఏంటి? Retrieve underscore view. Check the server. Server is restarted. Working fine. Copy this. Give just URL enough. Perfect aslo. Complete data came. దీనికి కొత్తంత కలర్ లో బేస్ లో inside you have to go with body. We have to give టైటిల్ ఉంది కదా, ఇన్ టైటిల్ ఇద్దామా? టైటిల్ బెస్ట్లే. We have to give style. What I want to give is body curling braces. You have to give background color red, this color white, and if any anchor tags are there, we want to go with colors yellow. Is it applied? Applied. Sorry, the story. Up to know what to do, just we created one project, inserted data, and by using objects.all, I am reading the data and display to the HTML file. These things already we know very well. This is the base. After that, index.html, sir. This is the index. .html code, copy, paste it. Views okay, admin model, fine. So now, what we have to do next step? First of all, already we know these things. To select all the records, we are using what we are using? Model name dot objects dot all we are using. This is the first command we are using here. Okay. All is a one method function, means whenever parenthesis is given, that is a one function. What is the return type of this method? This total method return type. How to get it? The return type of all method is, what is the return type? Simple. Go to your views. Sir, that is where it is? Here it is there. Is it storing emp underscore list or not? Simple thing, you have to print. What you have to print? Type. Type of what is the variable? Employee list. Automatically you will get the type. What is the type? You will get dictionary. No. Chichi. Sorry, ikkada I am creating as a dictionary. Once it is written emp list is a dictionary, na? No. I created dictionary here based on this one. So now run the program. You will get it clarity. Now, once we have to send the request, what is the type, sir? Query set. It is a one query set. Because once I set the request, server is starting, it is printing the message in the console. You have to check it. What it is? One query set will be displayed. django.db.models.query set. Ante how it is a list? Who is telling list? Query set I am telling. Vikas. I'm asking type emp underscore list. It is not a list. One query set, it is a. Now see, sir, carefully. Sir, here by using all method, total values are coming. Now, to get a particular record, which command we can use? We have to use which command? Get method. You have to use the get method. For example, now in the command prompt, present this is ORM project1. Sir, how to go to the shell? Py manage.py shell. Now check it. Shell is opened. Okay, fine. In your notes purpose, I copy pasted here. Sir, which command I want to use? Get command. So how to use that get command means go to the Python shell. In this, sir, your models. Where is your models? From test app dot models import. What is your class name? Employee. If you're not getting anything, it is imported successfully. Sir, how to class name dot what it is? Objects dot. I don't want all, only one. Which method? Get method. Get. If I provided as a ID equal to 1. Now, one employee I'm getting stored into a reference variable. What it is? EMP I can store. Now, click on enter. Yes, we are getting the employee. EMP dot, I want to display E name. Sandy, something available there. First name. Came, not came. Yes, sir. So if you want to get the particular employee details, I need to go to the employee.objects.get of ID. First object we are getting it. Type it. Employee object, first employee. If you want to go to that employee number, you can ask employee salary. Employee e-sala. E-sal, sorry. Column wrong I'm given. emp.e address, sir. All I'm getting it. So if you want to get all the details, go with all. If you want to get a particular record, get ID, we can provide that there. Employee details, we are getting it. Next, what is this type? Type of EMP. What is the type? Employee class object. So employee class object will be created there. So that is the return type of the get method. For understandable purpose. How we are taking that? Just we have to understand purpose. I am taking the shell. We have to write these commands into views.py and display to the HTML file. Just we will get clarity now how method is working, all those things. So that's why. Sir, now see, this is the process from test import. Now something error is there. Remove it. Search on first I'm getting first employee ID, name I printed, the type EMP, first object, number, salary, address. The type of EMP is this one. So here the return type of get method is employee object will be returned because this is the class, EMP is the reference variable, employee object will be returned, sir. Sir, now whenever I'm using this command, which command? This one, employee.objects.all. Then internally, is it execute on SQL query or not? What is the query it is available there? How to check that query? Which type of query it is generated? Because just now I'm telling ORM is the middle framework. My command is convert internally SQL command because database understandable language only is SQL commands only. Other language not able to understand. And internal it is holding some SQL command. How to find out that command? For example, how to find SQL query associated with what it is? Query set. How can I check it? Sir, every ORM statement will be converted into equivalent SQL query compulsory. We can find that query from query set. Query set we can find out. How to find it? That one, go to here. Shell. Sir, what is the command we are using? Employee dot objects dot all stored into a variable. I'm given as a QS query set executed there. If you have any doubt is that you can ask a type of QS. What it is? Query set. Just now also we discussed completed. How to display that query, internal query? str of QS kada, QS dot. You need to ask about query. Sorry, dot sir. QS dot query. Now you can check it. Idigondi. Select is SQL command or not? Yes. Idigondi test app enti. Man app. We are creating app. Underscore employee means table name. Select so and so table name. ID, table name dot employee number, table name dot e name, employee, e salary, address from test app dot employee. Is it equivalent to your SQL command or not? Star means all. One by one you want. Compulsory you can use MP number, e name, job. Like that we are using same. If you want to use only two numbers, sir, then select EMP number, comma, e name from EMP. Then what will happen? Only two displayed or not? Same story. Here also happened same thing only. So this is the way how to see your internal query for every ORM method. Simple, you can execute command stored into variable, ask a query. It will be displayed the query because database understandable language is only SQL command only. So every ORM command internally must and should convert it to that query only. So now here all the records will be displayed, sir. Total records. Based on my requirement, only some records I want to display. How to display those things? How to filter records based on some condition. How to provide that? First condition is you have to tell I want to display employees who are having greater than 15,000 salary. 17, 15, okay. Greater than 15,000 who are having employees, those details only I want to display, not all. Here some 12,000 is there, 11, 10, okay, 13. Something is there. Above 15,000 rupees salaries I want to display, sir. What to do? General ga you have to tell SQL command. Suppose, yes, suppose here salaries are there, sir. Okay, above 500 kavali naku. I want to give some condition. Select star from employee where ESAL greater than 1,000 and it will display all the details. Same like that. Come to here. Here, whatever you want to do, sir, here only you can change views only. Now you don't need to write shell. Shell is just your understandable purpose. One query I am written. Okay, na? Don't write there. Where we can write? views. Sir, this one you can comment it, sir. Copy, paste. Sir, don't want all. What to do? Get and out vastadi kada. I want to go with one command is there. Somewhere else I explained filter. So I am filtering. Yes. Inside what to do? Which column? A column we want to provide. E-salary kada. Underscore greater than. GT means greater than. Sorry, GT equal to means greater than equal to. Greater than only it is checking what is the amount you want to display. Sir, greater than equal to means not it is greater than equal to. Greater than I am given 15,000. So it is displaying only greater than 15,000. For example, if any employee having 15,000 salary, any employee is there? 1 minute. I have to add manually. Add employee object. Server leda. Yeah, something is selected. Don't select in server. It won't come. Sir, I am adding one employee, Mahesh. Salary exactly 15,000 and e-address Vijayawada. Save. Now it's going to Mahesh added 15,000 only. Now I am given a condition greater than 15,000. Now check it. Server is okay, fine. Come to here. Now HTML refresh. You can check it. The salary is about 15,000 above chala mandi unnaru. Anywhere Mahesh came? No. Okay. Sir, I want to give salary as a 19,000. Now you can filterize. Yes. Only some people are available there. Is it working? Not working. ORM command. Manaku, I want to display 15,000 also. Mahesh also I want to display. For example, I am given 15,000. This meaning is it written all employees whose salary is greater than 15,000, not equal to. This is the first one, first command. It returns all employees whose salaries greater than 15,000. So I want to display greater than or equal to. Then what to do? Whenever I'm using this command, 15,000 and above, Mahesh is not coming because Mahesh salary is 15,000. I'm given condition is greater than. Now 15,000 got kavali. Equal to equal means comparison operator. How to give? You are telling SQL command, okay, greater than or equal to 15,000. Okay, here, how to give? In line number 6, what to do? In views. In views, line number 6. Em cheyochu? You have to give GTE. Ante dani ardham enti? Greater than or equal to. So the problem is why you are not able to understand means you don't know idea about magic methods. That's the problem. There are some magic methods are there. In advanced Python, I am telling that magic methods. GTE, LT, for just a small clarity purpose. ఎక్కడంటే అవి అందువల్ల మీకు అవి అంత ఐడియా రావట్లే ఇమీడియట్ గా. Python, advanced Python, in object oriented programming, I am explaining those at the time of overloading concept. You going to say ikkada you have to check it this. The duck typing philosophy. No. At the time of overloading, overriding, two concepts I am telling. At the time of overloading, to do operator overloading, sir, check it. There all the magic methods are there. Add, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division. ఇది కొన్ని ఉన్నాయా? GT, GE, LT, LE అని. Each symbol you have one magic method is there. Same like that. In Django, we have to provide that what is it is GTE. Now you have to refresh this one compulsory this time. Mahesh will be displayed last in the 15,000. So that is the meaning of GTE. ఇది second one. It returns salaries greater than or equal to 15,000. That is the meaning. Sir, now same you can use less than also LT, LTE. Same commands. Similarly, we can use underscore underscore LT means less than, and underscore underscore LTE means less than or equal to. You can apply, then you can check it. Next, so how to use these commands in CBV? Same process only. Use this command. CBVs means mainly customization is not possible. That's why I'm using a function based. CBV already I'm telling now, whatever available, those we can use it. Otherwise, sir, is it possible to use in CBV or not? No, na. Sir, CBV law, there is a option is there. If you want to display your own template, can you display or not? Template underscore name equal to your own object, can you create or not? Like that you can do. Yes or no? You have to create your own object. Instead of books, you can create one object, one template. That process I'm telling you. Same that you have to read the data objects dot all, display to your template, filterization. Sir, now, why we need this? In entire Django, important concept, this one only, ORM only. Finally, they will ask you in the last day, sir, what is this Django? Like that. What is the purpose of Django? Various possible legends. Sir, now, first one, the first method is, what is the method, sir? Exact. Exact means exact match it is finding, then only it will be displayed. For example, here come to this. Okay, comment it. Copy, paste. Sir, I want to give objects a particular record. Particular record means compulsory which command? Get ID underscore underscore what I'm given? Exact equal to 14. Then what will happen? Only what is the 14th ID that will be displayed. No, na. Object is not iterable. కాదు, ఎక్కడో స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంటుంది. Get objects dot get exact ID is not there. 10 ఉందా? Matching query does not exist. Mm-hmm. 1 minute. emp employee dot objects dot get id equal to some 10 I am given as available there. emp dot ename. Ingondi evado someone name is there 95. Employee available there. emp dot e number. emp dot e number 4110 employee number. Internal it is taking IDs. 10th one, what it is coming? 1 minute. Hash. Open it. Now refresh. Sir, what is the ID? 4110. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 10th ID 4110. Sir, internally IDs are generated now. There it is the different form it is displaying. 10th one it is displaying. So in Python shell it is asking IDs, it will be displayed. Now observe. Sir, I'm using ID equal to, okay na? Equal to employee dot objects dot get. What I'm asking ID underscore underscore exact equal to 10. emp dot ename. Both are same or not? Both are same. And in that you can use ID of exact. We have to provide names. So those things you can apply employee names because employee ID column is not there. That is the problem. So internal indexing it is providing. That's why Python shell it is taking this one. I'm going to copy. Sorry, exact. Here. emp list equal to this one and ID underscore underscore exact equal to 10. Both are same only. Employee number not required. Remove this. Now check it. Both should be same. For example, you can apply, sir. Here, hash symbol. ID manaki teliyadu kabatti don't give. You know ename. Ename equal to exact. I am given Mahesh. Save. Come to here. Refresh. ename underscore underscore exact equal to అసలు ఈ నేమ్ తీసుకోవాలి కదా ఎక్కడైతే మిస్టేక్ ఉంది సంథింగ్ ఇంకోండి టెస్ట్ యాప్ యూస్ retrieve view రైజ్ ఎంప్లాయీ మ్యాచింగ్ క్వెరీ డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఎందుకని ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్ ఉంది కదా Mahesh is there. Maybe small mistake is there. Oh, M capital. మరి previously I'm given capital M kada. Name underscore exact. Save. Employee object is not iterable, is not iterable. For IMP and EMP list. లేదంటుంది. Already it is there na. Mahesh is there. M is capital. Sare. Employee number 102 kada. Sare. We can give E number 102. అదేదో స్మాల్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది, ఏదో మిస్టేక్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం. రీఫ్రెష్. సార్ ట్రైయా? అవును చెప్తానండి ఒక నిమిషం. సపోజ్ ఈ నేమ్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ ఏ అన్న, ఏతో సో మెనీ విల్ కమ్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఫర్ లూప్ అంటే 1 ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్. సపోజ్ L ఈక్వల్ టు 10. ఫర్ I in L ప్రింట్ I అన్న ఏమవుతుంది, ఒక వాల్యూ ప్రింట్ అవుద్ది. హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ దేర్, దోస్ మెనీ టైమ్స్ విల్ బి ప్రింటెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్ ప్రింటెడ్. లిస్ట్ లో హౌ మెనీ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ దేర్, 1 to 100 you can give. It will take only one, is the loop will running one time only. What is the problem? Suppose with the name of Mahesh 10 records are there, 10 times will print Mahesh, one record is there one. So ఏదో ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది, చెప్తానండి. Sir, this due to we are sending whole query set, we have to import. What we have to import? Import employee ante. ఆగని చెప్తాను, మరి అక్కడ ఎలా అవుతుంది అది. సరే ఇప్పుడు come to here. Sir, I have to give EMP equal to, ఇక్కడ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది ఇది, ఎంప్లాయీ డాట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ డాట్ గెట్ ఈ నేమ్ అండర్స్కోర్ అండర్స్కోర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు మహేష్. EMP డాట్ నేమ్, EMP డాట్ ఈ నేమ్. ఇచ్చిందా లేదా? మరి అక్కడ ఇదే పాస్ అవ్వాలి కదా. మల్టిపుల్ టేబుల్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి? I means that is equal to the case instance to anything it will be taken. For example, చూడండి ఇక్కడ compulsory can go with Mahesh. If I give with M, anything is there? What they are telling? Employee matching query does not exist. Ledu. Now, if I want to give, I want to go with I. Equal signals means case instance. Now it will be taken. EMP dot E name. I exact means compulsory case also checking. I exact. Sir, I think exact can only get one value. అప్పుడు get is taking only one value. Problem is మనం మిస్టేక్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇదిగోండి ఈ నేమ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఏం చేశాను ఎం అన్నా నౌ ఐ గాట్ ద ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చిందా అది మిస్టేక్ గెట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ ఓన్లీ one column value it is taking, that is the mistake sir. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు is it displaying only Mahesh or not? Filter we are using unless I am using get sorry. Okay sir, ఇప్పుడు if I am given I exact, any values are there? I exact ఉంటుంది, sorry exact give small letter small m. Now come to here, refresh, no records. Any equals ignore case, no problem. Then which command? I exact. Now you can go to here and you can refresh. Sir, that is our problem. Filter, but I'm using get, and again it is telling iterable object. We did the small mistake. Sir, now that is the exact, and second one is what it is? I exact, sir. Sir, here, suppose not only this one, comment it, open, check whatever tables are there, all will come. A, B, C. Well, next possibility చూద్దాం. I exact. Case insensitive we can provide it, but exact match it will be taken. Third one. What it is? Contains. No. In shell, we have to using get command. Inside filter, you have to filter all the values. It will be sent to the HTML file. Sir, what is the contains? Contains means now ename underscore contains something. I'm given Alan something. Now go to browser, refresh. ఇదిగోండి Alan only one is there. Repeated names you can require means with the name of John, anything is there or not? లేదు. Contains ఏ ఉన్న నేమ్స్ బోల్డ్ ఉంటాయి. No. Yes. Maximum all came. Thomas, Clark, Mary, Taylor ఏ సమ్ ఉన్నాయి చూద్దాం. Contains Taylor. Now you have to refresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 contains every name. Somewhere else Taylor is there. Here, like that. That is the contains. So we have to fourth one same. What it is? I contains. Case insensitive. Next one. Fifth one. What it is? In means how to find records on 2 or more parameters. Just like in SQL query, whatever you are writing, corresponding we have to write in the ORM commands. I will show. Sir, what is the meaning of in? Suppose I want to display where employees IDs are 1, 3, 5 like that. Then we to go for in operator. For example, here filter comment it. What I want to check is ID పనిచేస్తే ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ ID underscore in equal to 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 came. Yes, first, third, fifth. That is the in. Sixth one already we know what it is. GT greater than. Seventh one GTE greater than or equal to. Eighth one LT less than. Ninth one LTE less than or equal to. 10th one, what it is, starts with, in regular expressions we have already available there. Simple, you need to go with E name underscore starts with. Suppose if I'm given equal to capital A, save, come to here, refresh. Then capital A, whatever started, they are given. You can use filter only in HTML file. Don't use get. Okay. So, sir, if we go with small a, with small a, any records are there? Now displaying na it is. Small a, no records kada. But how is displaying? Capital D. Come to here, refresh. D came. Small d also, why it is, sorry, small e. Is it any changes is happened? Not happened. Came. But small e capital it is also taken. అలా ఉండదే, కంపల్సరీ ఇట్ విల్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ క్యాపిటల్ అయితేనే అయితే తీసుకోవాలి. కేసెన్స్ టు తీసుకుంటుంది మరి అది. నెక్స్ట్ ఎండ్స్ విత్ సేమ్, యూ నీడ్ టు గో విత్ ends with A. I am given. Ends with A names maybe. Ends with Bone. Ends with A. 3 names are there. Capital A. అది తీసుకుంటాను ఎందుకన్నా స్మాల్ క్యాపిటల్. అదిగో క్యాపిటల్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ ఈస్ యాక్సెప్టింగ్, మరి ఎందుకని అది యాక్చువల్గా తీసుకోకూడదు అది. సపోజ్ క్యాపిటల్ డి అన్నా, చెక్ ఇట్, ఇదిగో బోత్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్. చూడండి, స్మాల్ డి ఇట్ ఈస్ డిస్ప్లేడ్, క్యాపిటల్ డి ఆల్సో ఇట్ ఈస్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్. Last one more function is what it is, range. Means the employee salary is whose employee salary is between 12,000 to 15,000 I want to display. Then go to here, comment it. Sir, same in SQL, whatever queries are they rating now, where conditions, okay, minimum salary, maximum salary, aggregate functions. For every SQL query, here one method is there. A method we have to find out. That is only ORM concept. You can write one SQL command. That command corresponding method, ORM method, we have to write it. They're all the methods, basic methods. Greater than, less than, I contains. Ikkada kuda sir, ikkada I starts with, I ends with commands are there. Then only it is ignoring the cases. Sir, range means you need to check it here. Paste it. E salary underscore range equal to 12,000 comma 15,000. Now please tell, is it coming in between 12,000 15,000 or inclusive 15,000 also? In between only. Okay. Yes, all these are ORM methods, Amit. Sir, it is inclusive 15,000 also. We'll come check it. 4,000, 12, 12, 12. Mahesh somewhere else is there. But Mahesh came inclusive, not in between. So that is the range function. Now we have to write in this total, what is the maximum salary? Who is the highest salary employee? I want details. We know SQL command. How to write SQL command? Highest salary employee details కావాలి నాకు. Select start from EMP. Where? First you have to find out max of salary. Then you have to compare or not. So SQL commands are there. Who are attending Oracle classes, they know how to identify maximum salary of employee. Along sometimes they do second highest maximum salary. Then how to write query. Inner query we have to write. Third maximum salary we can require. Then there are some aggregate functions are there. I can find out and I will display by using Python program, not SQL commands. So daniki aggregate functions are there. By using that functions, we need to do all these things. Tomorrow I will tell, see, world project, I will show views.py, you will get clarity. ORM. They're all the ORM methods. Here, views.py. చూడండి ఇవన్నీ ఇదిగోండి ఆల్ గెట్ ఐడి ఈసెల్ ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్ కై కంటెంట్స్ ఇన్ ఐ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ ఐ ఎండ్స్ విత్ సమ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఈ సాలరీ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ ఎండ్ విత్ ఇదిగోండి వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ సమ్ క్వెరీస్ aggregate functions, minimum salary, maximum salary, those I want to provide it there. These functions how to create I will tell. Triggers, stored procedures, so many are there in that. So just you have to practice all these things. These are all the ORM methods equivalent to SQL queries. In GT greater than, less than, starts with, ends with, range, I contains. These methods we are using into views. Tomorrow I will tell that aggregate functions.